Recording vendor credits one by one in QuickBooks Online can take time, especially when your vendor credit data is already in Excel, CSV, purchase return reports, supplier credit files, or another accounting system. Instead of creating each vendor credit manually, SaasAnt Transactions lets you import vendor credit data in bulk, map the fields, review the records before upload, and undo the import if needed. In this video, I'll show you how to import vendor credits into QuickBooks Online using SaasAnt Transactions. To start 30-day free trial of SaasAnt, just click the link in the description to get started today. Next, open the SaasAnt product page using the link in the description. As you go through the page, you can get a quick overview of the product and the different types of data you can import into QuickBooks Online. When you are ready, click Start Free Trial. You will be redirected to the secure QuickBooks login page. If you are already logged in, just choose the QuickBooks company you want to connect with SaasAnt Transactions Online. Now log in to SaasAnt Transactions and go to Bulk Upload. Here, you'll see different transaction and list types available for import. Go to the Vendor Transactions section and select Vendor Credits. Now, import your prepared vendor credit file from your system. Once the file is added, click Continue. Next, SaasAnt will take you to the Field Mapping screen. SaasAnt automatically maps the fields in your file with the matching QuickBooks vendor credit fields. If needed, you can also adjust the mapping manually. Make sure the necessary fields such as vendor, payment date, expense account, and expense line amount are mapped correctly. Once the mapping is done, click Review. Now you'll see the Review and Upload screen. Here, check the vendor credit data before importing it into QuickBooks Online. You can make quick corrections directly in the grid if needed. Once everything looks correct, click Upload. SaasAnt will now process the file and import the vendor credits into QuickBooks Online. Once the file is imported, click Show Results. Here you can see the import summary. You can verify the imported vendor credit in QuickBooks simply by clicking the Response ID. SaasAnt will take you to the specific vendor credit record in QuickBooks Online. You can also download the import result for your records. If you imported the wrong file or noticed an error after import, use Undo to roll back the vendor credit data and keep your QuickBooks records clean. That's how you can import vendor credits into QuickBooks Online using SaasAnt Transactions.